My huge outdoor rug that I just got. I really like the design. It's in my 2-car garage. So this thing is huge. It's 9 by 12. It is a little wrinkled up because of shipping. Now, I think what I would need to do is I just laid it out, but I think if this was to sit in the sun just for like a day, this would really flatten out. I do have another one of their rugs, a smaller one out back, and it did flatten out after it kind of sat out for a little bit and relaxed. It's got a stitched side, and it is double-sided, so if you don't want this darker, you could flip it over and have the white. Still not sure which way I'm gonna go. If I'm gonna have which side I'm gonna have shown. It also has these clasps here, and it comes with some hooks. The hooks are right here. And you can put these into the ground if you really wanted to stretch it out, maybe on the beach or in your yard, and keep it from like blowing away. The one I do have outside, I don't have tethered down, and it will blow away from time to time or blow up, if you don't have like furniture on it. But I think anything you lay down on the ground would blow. If we get closer, it's sort of got like a plasticky kind of feel to it. It is an outdoor rug, so it can get wet, and it dries, doesn't really get wet. It just, because it doesn't absorb anything, so it's kind of like plasticky. So, yep, I think it looks good in here. This is where I'll probably live for the winter. But yeah, it's really big. Look at that. You're probably the size of a car. 9 by 12.